Addition within 20 using number line. Addition within 20. Let's use a number line. 3 plus 4 equals. Start at 3. Jump 4 spaces. Three plus 4 equals 7. Eight plus 5 equals. Start at 8. Jump 5 spaces. Eight plus 5 equals 13. 11 plus 6 equals. Start at 11. Jump 6 spaces. Eleven plus 6 equals 17. Good job. Share with families and educators who may benefit. Free worksheet link in the description.